So in today's video, we will be I'll be bullet journaling my August spreads and just kind of take you along with it. This is not a tutorial, just kind of like ideas and me rambling about how I do it. I've been bullet journaling since January and I really love it. It's fun. Yeah, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So I have my bullet journal right here, which I actually put sparkles on. I'm just gonna make the layout for my August bullet journal section. So I kind of like to use like one main color for each month, just go from there, I guess. So I'm not going to show you any of my past ones just because they're filled up with personal stuff. To start off, I'll do the first page. So this is blank, obviously. And the first page, I'm just going to be doing the month, like calendar. So I make the squares like 6x6. I went to the third space. 1, 2, 3. And so I'm just gonna count the spaces and put little dots so that I can easily draw the lines and see where it starts. Also, just a disclaimer, my bullet journal does not look like those fancy bullet journals that you'll see on Pinterest, but it's really fun and it helps me a lot to stay organized. And I found that I like it a lot better than just buying a planner, because when I buy a planner, I typically end up getting bored with it after like a few months to 6 months or something. I never use the whole thing. But this way, since I'm able to constantly be creating it, like every month I make a new pages, and then I actually make the weekly spreads every week. Like I don't pre-make the weekly spreads for the whole month, and that way I'm always creating something new in it, and I don't get bored, and I'm able to customize it. So if something doesn't work one month, I just don't put it in the next month, or I do something different. So that's what I love about bullet journaling, even though I can't draw super well. It just works really well. So okay, and then what we'll do is I need to go get a ruler. I really only use the ruler for the actual big calendar page. The other pages I don't ever use a ruler. I'm just gonna draw out the lines with the skinny side of it. So that always happens. With the skinny side of it, not the fat one. Also, these markers I've had for a long time. They're the Tombow, I think. That's what it's called. Flat focus. I really like them. I've had them for a long time. I also use these Stabilo pens. I use those a lot. Oh yeah, I leave like a little space right in the middle. I'll show you that in a second. Like I leave a space right in there. Easily. I just drew the line right where I was supposed to draw the line. It's fine. We're just gonna have a line there. Maybe I haven't been using this. Maybe I actually haven't been, because I don't remember these lines going this badly. And we're just gonna have to make this connected right there. Like, do you see this? Do you see that right there? Usually that doesn't happen. I don't know why. Maybe I don't usually use a thing. I don't think I do. We're just not going to, because it's aggravating me. I can do a pretty straight line if I just follow the dots. That's probably it. See how much faster that went without the ruler? It looks so good. This line is just there, but we're gonna use it. We're gonna turn it into like a little divider, a section divider. Sometimes I'll do it like the designs for this a little different. Like one time I just outlined the corners, like I would just do a little cross but not fill in the rest of the line, or like do it all dots, or do it with thick, or like do the outside border a different color than the inside line. There's lots of different ways you can do it. I'll try to keep making these bullet journal videos the rest of the year, just so you guys can get more ideas, I guess, for it, if you want to do it yourself. The key to this, don't get mad at yourself if it doesn't look as perfect as you want it to look. As long as it's useful and it was fun and it helps you, then I mean, you won. That's it. It's great. It's a good time. Perfect. Not sure what to do with this, because usually I don't have lines right there, so it looks a little weird. I don't usually have this middle line. The middle line's right there, so it looks kind of weird. Not really sure what to do. Maybe I'll just color that in. Yeah, I'll just color it in. See, we just turn our mistakes into on purpose things. So now I'm using the fat side. Sorry if my concentrating face is really weird. Also, this is gonna bleed through, but no, it's fine so far. Oh, I actually really like how this is turning out. It looks kind of like a window. I'm getting window vibes right there. So now we have our nice windows, and we gotta write August at the top. I like to space it out right there, basically. Okay, 6 letters. So I'll count it. I try to evenly spread it out either over the squares or in between the squares. This is gonna be in between. So perfect. And I just do block letters usually. Ta-da! August. I usually like to put like a quote or something up here and then some goals down here. So we'll do that, but first let's put in the numbers. Thursday is the first day. So let's just go and put in the numbers 1, 2, 30 days, have September, April, June, and November, all the rest have 31. Yes, I have to sing that every time. I'll typically go and put in birthdays. Like my mom's birthday is in August. I think I'm gonna want to fill this in black because it's kind of bright already. I just have the goals and stuff, but I gotta think of what I want to do with the quote and the goal. And then maybe I'll draw like a cute heart or a sun over here. A sun would be cute. Let's do a sun. Ta-da! So I finished. I decided on a quote. I had to go on Pinterest for a bit. But it's be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire by Sarah Marines. And then for my goals, you guys are gonna have to hold me accountable now. But I put upload 5 times, so that's once a week. And post 9 times that's on Instagram, so that'll be twice a week. Which I've been good about posting about once a week on there, so that's good. Finished writing album. I started a project a couple years ago, writing kind of like some Christian songs on my ukulele, just fun songs, but like centered on my faith. And I started it, and I never finished it. Well, just a couple days ago, I got back into it. I was like, I should totally finish this. I'm working on it. We'll see. Not sure if I'll share the songs with you guys. I don't know. Maybe I will after I finish the whole thing. But yeah, so finished writing album. Spanish, or for the last goal, I put Duolingo through I think that's infinitives too. So I'm trying to keep my Spanish up. I really want to improve my Spanish a lot. And I've been slacking. I've been neglecting it, so that's not good. But now that I have more time, want to get back into it. I'll update you guys at the end of August if I reach those goals. Hopefully I do. Also, I filled in the little sun, so it's pink now. So this is what it looks like. But I know I want this one to just be random, so I'm just gonna go ahead and write random on it. Random. And that's all I'm gonna do for this page, because the random page is just a mess, and that's how I need it to be so that I can properly use it. Oh yeah. This one will be habits. I'll just do one. I usually fill up the whole thing with habits, but that's a lot of habits to take care of. So then I just end up not using it. But we'll do habits. I gotta just count the numbers with us. So look, August has 31 days. So 31, then 30, 29. I like to write this quote, nothing changes if nothing changes. Which I first heard that from JC Marie on their What We Said podcast. Is where I first heard that quote from her. I might decorate a little more, but for now, we're just gonna leave it like that. Okay, I did not catch that on the camera because I just turned it off. I wish I had. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I was writing down the numbers off screen because I didn't want to have to go through and edit that much. But this bird straight up just flew into my window, and I thought it was like a mom. I mean, I don't know what I thought it was. I probably would just be my brother scaring me, but it wasn't. It was a bird. Is it okay? I think it flew away, but it like straight up flew into the window. That was scary, man. Okay, I gotta go back to writing these numbers. Okay, I just finished these 2 pages now. So it's the sleeping one and the grateful one. So I said, get yo beauty sleep, because I need sleep. And then just 7 p.m. And then I'll just usually fill it in like with the fat side of the marker and just like color it in. No, I don't go to bed at 7 p.m. but I put that because I was like, if I'm sick, that's probably the earliest I'll actually go to bed. So there you go. And then this part is a grateful heart is a happy heart. Like that VeggieTales song with Madame Blueberry and that poor kid, and he just had like a tiny piece of cake. that's what inspired this page. And then the last page is going to be the page I put to help me stay organized with YouTube and everything. So I'm just gonna put content plan down here. Not even space it out because I just want to be done. I've been filming for a long time, guys. I'm just tired. And basically on this page, I'll just write out ideas. I'll write out, and I do have a bigger notebook actually, but this is where I just keep it all in here. So ideas, when I'm planning to post certain things or whatever, blah, blah, blah. I'll start at the top and just go for it. Just draw a line. Just like draw. Yes. Okay, good. So after you do the first line, then it's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then on the 9th one you draw. I start on Monday actually. Like I go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then this one's kind of just like a blank, but I use the same format anyways. And I just do like stuff like weekly goals or whatever. And there is one space at the bottom. Like there is one more row of dots, and I just leave that blank. Sometimes I'll, what the heck, why did I stop? Sometimes I'll write like a quote or something, or decorate it if I feel like it, but I count 8, and then I draw little dots on the dots. Also, if you didn't know what I was using, I've been using this thing. That's the brand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this little box right here that's separated by the dots, I will write down like events. Like when I was in school, I'd write down if I'd have a test. If there's like a party, I'd write at someone's house, I'd write like a party at this time or whatever. If I had a meeting, or if I have work or something. Ta-da! 9, 10, 11. Okay, so here it is. This page. This one. Oh, what the frick? See guys, that's what happens when you're a dingus. Oh well, I'll figure out something to put here because I did leave some stuff blank. Anyways, this one and then the content one and my weekly spread. You know what I think I'll do for this one is where is it? I might write down like a list of affirmations because there are a couple that I've been wanting to like write down a list of affirmations. But yeah, I'll probably just fill it with some affirmations or something. We'll figure it out, make it work. Yeah. And then I don't know if I already showed you, but there's the last page. Alright guys, so that was my bullet journal. I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe and comment more videos. I'm thinking I'm going to try to do more of these. Probably not as in-depth as this one because I won't be explaining as much, just showing more of like my ideas for each month. But yeah, that's all. Also go check out my Instagram. It's Noelle17. I've been trying to post more on there. Yeah. Bye guys, we'll see you next time.